Emma's dream of owning her own boutique in New York has finally become a reality, but success brought struggles. As her business grew with several branches and more employees, so did the problems. Different agreement hours, working times and locations, duty rosters and legal regulations on break times. It was impossible to keep track of everything. Until she found Factorial. Now, when Emma hires someone new like Peter, she can enter their agreement hours directly into the platform, and the specified hours appear in their digital agreement. Peter, on the other hand, can conveniently clock in on his smartphone via the app when he enters the store in the morning. Emma can also set a reminder so that he never forgets to. He's also reminded of his statutory break at lunchtime. And in the evening, when he heads home, he can clock out again. Peter worked a little longer today, but that's not an issue at all. Overtime is visible in his dashboard and can also be taken as time off in lieu, depending on the guidelines. Requesting absences overall couldn't be easier. With just a few clicks on his smartphone, Peter's requests are sent to Emma, who can approve them in a single step. Peter's going away next week and wants to swap shifts with his colleague Maria. Usually this would end in scheduling chaos, but it's all sorted seamlessly with Factorial. He can request a shift swap via the mobile app for Anna to accept or reject. When Emma wants to plan the shifts for that week, she can select the necessary roles and locations and create a roster without any errors. She simply assigns the shifts using drag and drop and plans in shifts and breaks. Then, her team automatically receives a notification on their cell phones about changes and updates to the work schedule. Of course, agreement hours are also taken into account. While Peter has a full-time position, Maria can only be allocated 30 hours per week. However, Maria has just decided to increase her hours to full-time. No problem for Emma either. She can adjust the agreement hours in Factorial at any point, and Maria can then view her updated agreements and documents on the platform. No email back and forth, no document chaos. Once again, Factorial has turned Emma's bureaucratic nightmare into a dream. Now she can open even more locations, because Factorial has saved her the time and energy to channel into aiming even higher. The sky is the limit with Factorial.